Hi and welcome back to my channel. This week happens to be Spirit Week at my daughter's school. And the theme for one of these days happens to be kids in outer space. So this week I'm going to show you how I made this alien dress for my daughter, complete with undershorts and boot covers. First thing, I need to make a pattern. So like I've done in previous videos, I take one of her dresses and I trace around it. Part of the school code is she has to have sleeves to this dress. I know this pattern has no sleeves to it, but I have a remedy for it. I purchased 2 pairs of green tights, and I'm going to use those tights as sleeves for this dress, which will also simulate green skin. I did add an inch to the bottom of this dress because I wanted to make sure it was long enough for her. My mother bought this holographic fabric like 10 years ago and didn't know what to do with it, so she gave it to me. One thing I've learned from stretch fabric is you need a ballpoint needle. It will save your life. And this fabric is no exception. And this fabric does fray, so here I'm using pinking shears to try to eliminate some of that. I did not need to add any seam allowance to this pattern since the fabric does stretch. Now it's time to sew the shoulder seams and the side seams. I did want this dress tighter than the base dress, so I did cut this down quite a bit from the sides. To finish the edging, I just gave the neck, sleeves, and the bottom a rolled hem. And the sleeves are just green tights. I bought tights that actually had no feet to them, so they were already finished on the edging, and I just cut them off and sewed them to the sleeve holes. And I did not make them a full sleeve, they're more of a 3/4 length sleeve. I figured the 3/4 length sleeve would be more comfortable to my daughter. I've made plenty of shorts on my channel, and once again here's another pair. I used an old pair of shorts that I cut up and I used it as a pattern. I did make these a little bigger since she is growing up, and it's just a basic short pattern. Now it's time to sew the crotch up and the sides up. I gave the shorts the same basic hem I did the dress. Now, this was a little bit tricky. This is actually my second attempt at doing it. To make the pattern, I took one of my daughter's shoes and I saran wrapped it and then put masking tape on it and drew out the design. Because I wanted them to look like boots, I'm adding interfacing to the ankle part of the cover. I sewed up both side seams and I left the top and the bottom open. I did not want these permanently attached to the shoe. I then folded the extra fabric on top to the inside of the shoe and stitched it down. The bottom part of the cover, I just rolled it up and hemmed it down. I did add 2 pieces of elastic to the underside of the cover, that way it stays on the shoe. And here's the final costume. I think it came out cute, and she really wants to wear it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you next week. Bye!